Kenya is fighting a war that is increasingly becoming difficult to win, that of drug abuse. The National Authority for Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse, NACADA, says the crisis is worsening, and currently 6% of Kenyans are already addicted to various drugs. The age of initiation to these drugs and others and other products has grown down to 5 years. That is, children in nursery schools. This can be confirmed from a report released by NACADA in 2013 titled The Trends and Patterns of Emerging Drugs in Kenya.
Said that BAT has made up to 42% profit higher during the COVID time because the government created a very enabling environment. In the first place, BAT and other tobacco companies enjoyed that tax relief that they were given by the government. And then something now came in whereby tobacco was also listed as an essential product. That in itself was like advertising tobacco products by the government to the public. So we are saying that the government we have in, as per now must take the lives of Kenyans more seriously. It is like this government is pro-tobacco or is pro-tobacco industry and yet against public health instead of the reverse. We want to see the government taking action. We want to see the government protecting public health instead of enabling tobacco industry to make profits by trading in the lives of Kenyans. This time we are crying that children in school, those who have just gone back to school, are doing funny things because they are out of their minds. When you hear that they are globering teachers, it is all because some of them are addicted to these drugs, and while in school they are suffering from withdrawal symptoms. They would want a situation whereby they will be sent back home so as to go and continue using these products.